there! Today we're going to learn how to make candy-covered Oreos using our new silicone Oreo mold from the Cookie Countess. You will need some candy melts, also called melting wafers, melted of course, some Oreos, and our silicone chocolate tool. Let's get started. With your melted chocolate, the first thing you're going to want to do is scoop some chocolate into the bottom of the Oreo mold. The reason why we're just doing the bottoms first is we're going to let this set, and so that way when you place your Oreo in, it's not going to sink all the way to the bottom and show out what will become the top of the mold. Use the spatula end of the silicone chocolate tool to gently brush the melted candy up the sides of the mold. Now the first time you do this, it doesn't have to be perfect. What we're going to do is gently shake the mold to make sure that it evenly covers the bottom and the sides. Give the whole mold a good shake to make sure that there are not too many gaps, especially on the bottom of the mold. And we're going to put that in the fridge and let it set for about 5 minutes. When the mold comes out of the fridge, you can see that this chocolate on the bottom is fully set and hard, which is exactly what we want. So you can now place a cookie in each cavity of the mold. Now we're going to spoon the candy melts over the top of the Oreos and let it fill in the gaps around the side. You can use a scribe tool or a toothpick to pop any bubbles that will arise as the candy gets into all those gaps around the Oreo. A gentle shake of the mold after you've filled it with the candy will make sure that all those bubbles rise to the top and you get a nice solid piece of candy. After they've come out of the fridge and they're firmed up, all you have to do is pop them out of the convenient silicone mold and they're ready for you to decorate. Thank you so much for joining us, and happy decorating!